In this lesson, we'll explore some fantastic tips and tricks to help you work even faster in Pinegrow. First, let's talk about a huge time saver, working with multiple elements at once. To select individual elements, simply hold down Command on a Mac or Control on Windows, and click on each item you want to modify. If you need to select a consecutive range of items, you can use Shift-click. Now for the magic. With multiple elements selected, any property you change will be applied to all of them simultaneously. For example, let's change the font size, and as you can see, the change is instantly reflected across all three selected columns. This also works for other actions, like duplicating. With one click, all selected elements are duplicated together. Let's quickly undo that and restore the original font size. Next up is another powerful feature we call the repeater, which is perfect for when you need to perform an action multiple times. Let's say I want to create 4 more of these verse columns. Instead of duplicating 4 times, I can just type the number 4, and then use the duplicate command, which is Command plus D on a Mac. And just like that, Pinegrow repeats the duplication 4 times for me. This feature is incredibly handy, and you can repeat an action up to 100 times. Let's try it. I'll type 100 and duplicate again. And there you have it. 100 verses created instantly. This is an amazing way to quickly generate lots of content for your layouts. Let me undo that to clean up our page. Finally, let's look at the window menu, which gives you full control over your workspace. You can show or hide any panel to declutter your view, or choose from various pre-configured workspace layouts. There are even simple layouts optimized for specific frameworks. You can also save your current setup as a custom layout, so your favorite arrangement is always just a click away. The window menu is also where you can switch to a sleek, dark theme. And there is also a UI zoom option to adjust the size of the entire interface. If you have a large, high-resolution screen, you might want to zoom out to fit more on the screen. Conversely, if you prefer larger controls for better readability, you can easily zoom in to make everything bigger. Let's set it back to the default of 100%. These features are designed to help you customize your environment and streamline your workflow. Now let's proceed to the next tutorial lesson.